Welcome to London, where history meets modern opulence, and the city offers an experience of grandeur unlike any other. Today, we'll be exploring the finest luxury experiences this remarkable city has to offer, from royal palaces to exclusive 5-star hotels and Michelin-starred restaurants. If you're seeking the royal treatment in London, stay tuned, because you're about to discover London's high-end luxury scene like never before. Let's begin with accommodations fit for royalty. London is home to some of the world's most luxurious hotels, many located just steps from Buckingham Palace itself. The Ritz, with its timeless elegance, has been welcoming distinguished guests since 1906. Claridge's, another iconic hotel, has hosted royalty and A-listers for over a century. These hotels offer world-class service, lavish rooms, and the kind of luxury you'd expect in the heart of royal London. Staying at the Ritz is not just about luxury, it's about being part of history. Every corner of the hotel has a story to tell, from the chandeliers to the royal suites. This is a place where tradition meets elegance. For a more modern take on luxury, head over to the Shangri-La at the Shard. Towering over London's skyline, this hotel offers unparalleled views of the city. Imagine waking up to a panoramic view of the Thames, the Tower of London, and St. Paul's Cathedral, all from the comfort of your suite. With its contemporary design and impeccable service, the Shangri-La delivers the ultimate in modern luxury. If you prefer more privacy, London offers exclusive high-end residences like One Hyde Park or Cheval Three Keys. These are more than just apartments, they are bespoke luxury homes, with services ranging from private chefs to concierge teams that cater to every whim. This is the pinnacle of luxury living, where comfort, privacy, and service come together seamlessly. No trip to London is complete without experiencing a proper afternoon tea, and there's no better place than the Ritz. The quintessential British experience, afternoon tea here is all about indulgence. From freshly baked scones to the finest loose leaf teas, every detail is meticulously curated to offer a regal experience. London is also home to a remarkable array of Michelin-starred restaurants. One of the finest dining experiences can be found at Alain Ducasse at the Dorchester, where French cuisine meets British refinement. Or, if you're looking for something truly innovative, the Ledbury offers contemporary British cuisine that redefines luxury dining. These restaurants not only offer incredible dishes but also a dining experience that is both intimate and extravagant. When it comes to shopping, London offers a luxury shopping experience like no other. Harrods, the world-famous department store, is a shopping destination in itself. From designer fashion to exclusive fragrances, Harrods caters to every luxury need. Selfridges, on the other hand, offers a more modern take on luxury, with a focus on high-end fashion and cutting-edge design. For those seeking the finest designer brands, Bond Street is the place to be. Whether you're after a bespoke suit from Savile Row or the latest haute couture from Dior, Bond Street's boutiques offer the epitome of luxury shopping. London's Royal Heritage offers unique luxury experiences. Private tours of Buckingham Palace or Kensington Palace give you an exclusive look into the royal lifestyle. Imagine walking the same halls as the British monarchy, admiring priceless art, and stepping into rooms filled with history. To experience London like royalty, consider a private chauffeur-driven tour. Imagine cruising through the streets of London in a Rolls-Royce or Bentley, with a private driver taking you to all the iconic landmarks, from Westminster Abbey to the Tower of London. For the art aficionados, London offers exclusive access to world-renowned galleries and auctions. Sotheby's, located in the heart of Mayfair, regularly hosts auctions of fine art, jewelry, and antiques that attract collectors from around the globe. London's theatre scene is unmatched, and for the ultimate luxury experience, you can enjoy private boxes at the Royal Opera House or exclusive seats at a West End show. Imagine watching a world-class performance with champagne in hand, surrounded by opulence. From royal palaces to Michelin-star dining, from luxurious hotels to private shopping tours, London offers an unrivaled luxury experience. It's a city where the royal treatment is not just a concept but a way of life. Whether you're visiting for the first time or are a seasoned traveler, London's high-end luxury scene will leave you feeling like royalty. Many travelers struggle to find authentic and luxurious experiences that truly capture the essence of British royalty while visiting London. You might find yourself lost in a sea of tourist traps or feeling like you're missing out on the royal magic that the city has to offer. It can be tough to sift through all the options and find those hidden gems that let you experience the grandeur of the monarchy in a way that feels special and exclusive. But don't worry. We've got you covered with some amazing recommendations that will help you indulge in the royal lifestyle without any of the hassle. This iconic landmark is the official residence of the Queen and a symbol of British royalty. Did you know that during the summer months, you can actually tour the staterooms? They are decked out with priceless art and furniture, giving you a glimpse into royal life. Next, we have the changing of the guard. This ceremony is a must-see. It's not just about the uniforms and the music. It's a tradition that's been carried out for centuries. And if you want to elevate your experience, consider booking a VIP viewing spot. Trust me, it's worth it. But that's not all. If you're really looking for something special, how about attending a royal event? There are exclusive events like garden parties and charity functions at places like Kensington Palace. These opportunities let you rub shoulders with the elite while enjoying the stunning surroundings. And let's not forget about Windsor Castle. Just a short train ride from London, this is the oldest and largest inhabited castle in the world. The grandeur of the state apartments and the beautiful St. George's Chapel will leave you in awe. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Imagine this. A private tour of a royal residence, just you and your guide, walking through the halls that have witnessed centuries of history. Not only do you get to see the stunning art and artifacts, but your guide shares insider stories that you won't find in any guidebook. And for those who love a good afternoon tea, picture yourself sipping fine tea and nibbling on delicate pastries at a prestigious hotel. Perhaps the Ritz or Claridge's, all while surrounded by an ambiance that just screams luxury. These experiences elevate your trip to a new level, making you feel like true royalty. Did you know that Londoners spend over £1 billion annually on luxury fashion? That's right, high-end shopping isn't just a pastime, it's practically a way of life in this city. If you're a fashion enthusiast or just someone who loves a bit of glam, London is the place to be. As one of the world's premier fashion capitals, it's brimming with high-end boutiques, designer brands, and yes, those iconic royal spots that make this city oh so special. Let's talk about the challenge of luxury shopping in this sprawling metropolis. With so many options, it can feel a bit overwhelming. You've got the prestigious boutiques on Bond Street, the grandeur of Harrods, and countless exclusive brands vying for your attention. Where do you even start? Each area has its own unique vibe and offerings, and making sense of it all can be tough. Plus, if you're aiming for that exclusive piece, you've got to know how to navigate the crowds and the limited editions. So, whether you're a seasoned shopper or a newbie, figuring out the best spots for your luxury fix is key. Let's take a stroll down Bond Street first. This iconic stretch is home to some of the world's most famous luxury brands like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and Gucci. Walking down this street feels like stepping into a fashion magazine. The beautifully designed storefronts and the chic window displays make it a real treat for the eyes. But don't forget to pop into some of the smaller boutiques tucked away in the side streets. Sometimes, you can find truly unique pieces that you won't see on anyone else. Next up is Harrods. Now, if you haven't been to this legendary department store, you're missing out. It's like a palace of luxury goods. From designer fashion to gourmet food, the place is a shopping paradise. And let's not skip the famous Harrods Food Hall, trust me, it's a feast for the senses. You can grab a macaron or some truffles while you're there, making it a delightful shopping experience. Each section of Harrods has its own theme and ambiance, so take your time wandering through. One of my favorite experiences in London was visiting a luxury store on Bond Street during a private shopping event. Picture this. Champagne flowing, personalized styling sessions, and a collection of exclusive items just waiting for you. It was such a memorable experience. I even spotted a limited edition handbag that had only a few pieces made worldwide. Plus, the staff was incredibly friendly and knowledgeable, making you feel like royalty. And if you're lucky, you might even bump into some celebs doing their shopping. It's moments like these that really encapsulate the essence of luxury shopping in London: glamorous, exclusive, and utterly unforgettable. So, there you have it. Luxury shopping in London is a thrilling adventure filled with unique experiences and fabulous finds. From high-end boutiques to iconic landmarks, the city truly intertwines its rich history and culture with the world of fashion. Whether you're indulging in a little retail therapy or simply enjoying the sights, London has something special to offer each and every one of us. Speaking of food, let's dive into gourmet dining experiences. You've got to try some exclusive restaurants, like the famous Nobu or the elegant Alain Ducasse at the Dorchester. These establishments offer not just meals, but culinary masterpieces that tantalize your taste buds. Plus, the ambiance is as lavish as the food, making it a feast for all senses. And let's not forget about the quintessential British experience: afternoon tea. Picture yourself at the Ritz, indulging in delicate finger sandwiches, scones with clotted cream, and a selection of fine teas. It's not just a meal, it's a lavish affair, complete with elegant china and impeccable service. This is how you truly enjoy the high life in London. Let's get to the climax of our luxurious journey. Picture this. You're in London, and you've just discovered a hidden gem, an exclusive private dinner experience at a historic estate, complete with a personal chef who crafts a bespoke menu just for you. Tea. He Estate, surrounded by lush gardens, feels like stepping into a fairy tale. As the sun sets, you're treated to a feast fit for a king, with each dish paired perfectly with fine wines. This is the kind of experience that leaves you in awe, making you long to come back for more. It's not just about luxury, it's about the unique memories that you'll cherish forever. Thank you for joining us on this journey through London's luxury scene. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up with our next luxury travel adventure. Until then, travel in style and experience